Superyacht Sybaris has been named 2017's best sailing yacht at the recent World Superyacht Awards in Florence, Italy. Built by Italian shipyard Briand, the 70-meter Superyacht scooped the awards in both the 40-meter plus and overall categories. Sybaris not only impressed the judges with its sailing ability, but also in the yacht's supreme comfort and optimum division of internal volume that entirely suits the owner's needs. The jury panel said, "Beautiful, capable, comfortable, and technically advanced. This is a yacht that was considered supreme for its purpose." Philippe Briand was selected to be the naval architect for Sybaris because he was seen 5 years ago as the person who would be regarded as the best naval architect today. Owner Bill Duker said the selection of Sybaris as the best sailing yacht in the 40 meters plus category and the sailing yacht overall winner proves we were correct. Showcasing a modern art collection with subtle lighting and great attention to detail, Sybaris also impressed the judges at February's Showboats Design Awards with its use of asymmetry to give the illusion of extended spaces and floating walls, winning prize for Best Lighting Design. Sybaris also won awards for its layout and design. The table is a titanium modern version of a rose unfolding, owner Bill Duker told at the Monaco Yacht Show. And Sybaris went on to pick up a third Showboats Design Award for the cohesive and elegant design of design.